Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Welcome to today's English practice. Learn how to speak English at the bank. Listen and repeat to improve your fluency. Excuse me, is this the State Bank branch? I'm here to open a new account.
Yes, madam, you are at the right place. Please go inside. The reception desk is on the left side.
Oh, thank you so much. This is my first time visiting this branch, so I wasn't sure.
No problem. You will get all the information inside.
Good morning. I would like to open a savings account in this bank.
Good morning. Certainly, we can help you with that. Could you please fill out this application form first?
Sure. Do I need to attach any documents with the form?
Yes, you will need to submit a copy of your ID card and one address proof, along with 2 passport-size photographs.
All right. I have everything ready with me. After filling this form, where should I go?
Please submit it at counter number 3. The officer there will guide you further.
Thank you for your help. Good morning, sir. I just filled out this form to open a new savings account.
Good morning. Please have a seat. May I check your documents?
Yes, here are my ID card, address proof, and photographs.
Thank you. Everything seems correct. Do you already have an account with us?
No, this is my very first account in this bank.
That's great. You will find our services very convenient. Do you want to open a savings account or a current account?
I would like to open a savings account because I want to save money every month.
All right. What amount would you like to deposit first?
I would like to deposit 5,000 rupees as the initial balance.
That's perfectly fine. Do you want an ATM card and internet banking as well?
Yes, please. I think both of them will be very useful for me.
Please sign here on the application form and also provide your signature on this slip for verification.
Okay, I have signed both forms. Is there anything else I need to do?
No, that's all. I will now generate your account number. You can also request a checkbook if you want.
For now, I only need the debit card. I don't need a checkbook.
All right, your debit card request has also been accepted. Here is your account number. Your account will be active within 24 hours. You will receive an SMS confirmation.
That's perfect. Thank you so much for guiding me through the process.
You're most welcome. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you need any further assistance.
Sure. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Great job. You have just practiced an English conversation at the bank. Keep practicing daily to speak English more naturally and confidently. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.